Oreo, a term used to describe a person who is black on the outside and white on the inside. They say I'm an Oreo because I'm so well-spoken, poised, full of etiquette, a white man's token. I remember my friends telling me, wow, you talk so white. But when did me talking right equate to me talking white? They say I'm not the average black girl, the black girl with the nappy hair, whose elbows can't skip a day without lotion, whose hearts and heads are filled up with self-hate and bottled up emotion. The cocoa brown girls who have to face society every day and be tough, because no matter how good they straighten their hair, their good is still not good enough. Luckily for me, I don't fall in that category. They say I'm not the average black girl because I speak with so much class, and I don't have too much, but just enough sass, and just a little bit of attitude, because you don't want to come off as one of those average black girls. You know, the ones who are rude, popping their gum and shaking their neck. They say I'm not the average black girl because I corrected the professor when he used the word conversate. The word is converse, and in case you didn't know, there are now 8, not 9 planets in the universe. And when you're watching the numbers on your stocks move up and down, remember Oklahoma, in a small town. One of the first Wall Streets was a black Wall Street that got mysteriously burned down. See, the average black girl that I know made 19 trips through the Underground Railroad to free the slaves, sat on segregated buses, refused to get up and pave new waves. The average black girls were Egyptian queens like Hatshepsut and Nitocris, who were ruling dynasties and whole armies of men. And this is why I set fire to this poem on my pen, because I am tired of the stereotypes black girls have fallen into because of American mentality, but not half as tired as Ella Baker, Diane Nash, Septima Clark. I am sick and tired of being sick and tired Miss Fannie Lou Hamer. So pardon me if I can't openly accept your compliment. It's just the average black girl that I know had courage that surpassed her every fear and fought for justice and equality year after year. You call me an Oreo and say that my darkness isn't capable of possessing light. And while this keeps me up at night, there's more of me that wonders when I might learn exactly what it means to talk and to be white.